Welcome back to HTML Basics for Beginners tutorial series, and this is the second tutorial. In the first tutorial, I gave you an introduction on HTML. From this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to make a list by using HTML. And there are two types of lists. They are unordered list and ordered list. We'll see how to create it. Okay, I have already opened up the notepad. So this is the basic structure. I have already templated it up. You can type all of them. So at the first, in body section, we can add a heading. How can we add a heading? That tag is H1. H1 means heading 1. There are several types of headings starting from H1 to H6. H1 is the largest and H6 is the smallest. So you can use any size you want. So I'm using H1 here, and then the closing H1. It's better to write both tags at the beginning, because normally you are forgetting to close the tag that you have opened at the beginning. So write both tags at once. So I'm writing let's create lists. Okay, then after that, first we'll create unordered list. In HTML, we add comments by using these symbols. This, so we can write here a comment, unordered list. So when we are creating an unordered list, we are using a tag called UL. It means unordered list. Okay, then the elements of a list, to create elements of a list, we use li tag. Li means list. So it's like this way, li, opening li tag, then closing li tag. So we can add several elements to a list. So I'm going to just duplicate this, put the cursor at the beginning, then press Ctrl D. Okay, we'll add what? Nutella, cheese, bread. Simply as bread. Oops. Okay, then we'll save this. I'm going to save this on desktop. Index. So no need to put .html, because I've told you in the previous tutorial, if we have changed the language here into HTML, no need to put that, because it's automatically saving. Then we'll save this and run. Launch in Firefox. You can use any browser you want. Okay, you can see the title has changed into home. Then here, this is the H1 size. Let's create lists. Then this is the unordered list. Unordered list. Nutella, cheese, then bread. Okay, now then let's create an ordered list. First, we'll add a comment. It will be easy for us to identify. We insert ordered list. Okay, there's only one difference between unordered and ordered list. This beginning tag, it starts with OL. That means ordered list. Okay, then close it. Then it's same as the first one, and the li tag, then the closing li tag. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this and HTML, PHP, JavaScript. You might have heard these things. Okay, then we'll save this and refresh it. Okay, now you'll see this is the ordered list. It starts with numbers, and then the unordered list starts with bullet points. Okay, now that's all for the second tutorial. See you on next tutorial.